Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. This is Sunny Kumar Gupta. My dear student, today I am going to teach you of class 6 and 7 decimal chapter. In this chapter, we have discussed about decimal, part of decimal, convert the decimal, places of decimal, like decimal, unlike decimal. So before class we have discussed about some part of decimal, and that's the second part of the decimal chapter. So in this chapter we have complete all parts. Okay, so firstly you see here that the comparing of decimal, how to comparing the decimal. Okay, so my dear students, if you have in exercise some question, compare the decimal. So I also write some step on the board. So firstly you read, then we also explain all points how to compare the decimal. Okay, so firstly you read, just like convert given decimal into like decimal. It means if any questions, just like here one question available, so firstly you convert in like fraction. Okay, like fraction you also know, if after point, after digit, after dot all numbers are same, that's the like fraction. Okay, so firstly you convert in like decimal. Okay, next here, first compare the whole number part. So what is whole number part? That's after before dot, just like in simple language, before dot which part, that's the whole number part of decimal, and after dot, that's separated by dot, that's called decimal part. Okay, so firstly first compare the whole number part. Firstly you compare the whole number part. Okay, then if which number, you also read here, the decimal with the greater whole number part is greater. It means here 68 and here 50, which is greater? You also write 68 and 50, which is greater? That 68 is greater. So you also put the sign of that. So that number is greatest number. If both numbers are same, if both numbers are whole number part of same, so what can I do? So you also read, if the whole number parts are equal, just like another example, 55.36. Okay, 55.33. Okay, that's the whole number part of decimal are same. That's same. Okay, equal. Compare the 10th digit. Compare the ones 10th digit. 10th digit. Okay, compare the 10th digit. The decimal with the bigger. The decimal with the bigger in the 10th place. Bigger in the 10th place, and that's a greater. It means which number is 10th place is greater. Just like here 50, 5 and here 3. Which number is just like a 55? Sorry, here 36 and 33. 36 and 33. So that's number. Just like here, write 86. 86, 36. 36. Here, so that's number is greater and that's number is smaller. So you also put the sign of that. If here 36 and here 33, so which number is greater? That's a 36, 36 and 33. So that's if 10th place is also equal. So you count the ones place. If one place is greater, that number is greater than. So yeah, also that number is greater. Okay, next here, if the 10th digits are also equal, you also see if 10th digit are also equal, what can I do? So compare the 100 digit. If here 100 digit available, that's to compare the 100 digit. Okay, and so on. So just like here, you also see example 68.35, 50.56. Okay, so 68 and here 55, 50. So that's a 68 is greater. And next year 568, and next year 486, which is greater? 568 or 486. So that's number is 568 is greater than. So you also put the same here. Is that clear? So in this period we have discussed about comparing the number. Are you understand about how to compare the number in decimal form? Okay. And next format in this chapter And next, so first we write down your copy. Next, we have also discussed about our next topic. Okay, so in this period, next topic is comparing the number of decimal. Next year, convert the number of fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. So you also see, just like here, fraction part. So write here, you also write okay. So our next topic is converting a decimal into fraction and converting a fraction into decimal. How to convert the decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal. So my dear students, that's a very simple. Very simple. You see one example. After that, you also understand about fraction into decimal and decimal into fraction. That's the first example of decimal into a fraction. How to convert decimal into a fraction. You also see one example of here. Okay. So firstly, you see that's the example 0.5. So my dear student, when you convert in fractions means p by q. If any type of question come by p by q, that's the example of p by q is fraction. Okay, see here, if 5 by 0.5. Okay, so firstly you remove the dot. Okay, when you remove the dot, after that in dot form of dot equal to 1. Then after dot how many digits available? Then you count. Just like here 1 digit. So 1. So that's the number is 5 by 10. When you cut it, then your answer 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. That's here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is, in one example you also understand fraction, decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. So that's when you how to check that's the number is come from is 0.5. That's my dear students, you also understand that points here. When you divide with 2 by 1, when just like in when you count that, read the table of 2, that's the 1 is not available. When you write points, then here 0. Okay, so 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So that's your answer is 0.5. 0.5. So your answer come. Is that clear? It means when you convert a decimal into fraction, so firstly you remove the point, remove the dot, then you with dot, remove the dot, then you write in upon in here 1, and after that, after dot you count the all digit and how many digit available, you write that times of 0. Okay, so that's right here 1 digit, so you also write 1 digit. Next here, when you remove the 0.20, when you remove 1 here, next 1 2 digit. Okay, so 20 by 100. Next here 0 to 0 cancel and 1 and 5. 2 ones are 2 and 5 twos are 10. That answer is 1 by 5. So that's the fraction form. And next here, when you convert, how converting a fraction into decimal. So firstly you see here, just like when you divide with numerator and denominator. So how to, just like here 320. So 3 in 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 and 3 7 are 21. 3 6 are 18. Right here 2. Right here 2. Okay. Next here 2. And next not go. Next here 3. When you write here also 0. 0. Okay. So 6 3s are 18. It means your answer come just like here 2. Again you 6 again right here. It means your answer is 6.6. 6.6. Which form? In decimal form. So my dear student, when you convert in any type of question fraction into decimal, firstly you divide with denominator in numerator. After that you get your answer in decimal point. Next here example 19 by 8. So you divide with 8 divide 19. 8 divide 19. So 8 2 is 16. 8 2 is 16. Next here 3. Point right here. 8 3 is 16. 8 4 is 8 5 is 40. And 8 3 is 24. 8 4 is 32. And 8 3 is 24. Okay. Next here 6. Okay, so you write, when you write here 2.3, okay, 2.3, it means 8 2s are 16 minus 3. Next here when you put the point here, after that you write it 0. Okay, and next 8 3s are 24, and when you minus in 30 into 24, that's answer is 6. Answer is 6. So your answer is near about 2.3. Okay, next here also write here. Okay, 2.37. Another, you write also answer. So that's the form of converting in fraction into decimal. Fraction to, that's a fraction and that's the decimal. And that's your decimal and that's the fraction. So my dear student, that's so easy. It means very easy of your chapter when you convert in fraction, decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. And next topic is addition of fraction. Addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. So firstly write down next year topics, discuss. Okay, so I hope all students understand that's the convert the decimal and fraction to decimal. And next left topic, it means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Discuss in next class. So my dear students, you complete your all that chapter of decimal question answer exercise also. Okay, so my dear students, you stay home, save your life and continue your study. Okay, thank you.